I have no seminar to sell or book I want you to buy. What I'm about to tell you is completely free and priceless at the same time. I say that because this advice changed my life for the better, and that's about having the right mindset or a money mindset. The only person stopping you from making money is the person staring back at you in the mirror every day. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth, while others struggle despite their best efforts? This pep talk is designed to help you get out of your head and into the right mindset of making money. So we'll talk about what having a money mindset means and the psychological factors that can either pave the path to financial success or become obstacles. You see, I can give you a play-by-play handbook on how to make money, but if you don't have the right mindset, you'll stay stuck in a financial rut. So stick around to the end, and I'll tell you 3 tips on how to overcome these psychological hurdles. Let's start by discussing the power of the money mindset. Your beliefs and attitudes about money play an important role in your financial outcomes. We often carry deep-seated beliefs from our upbringing and experiences that shape our relationship with money. This can be positive or negative, and it directly impacts our financial decisions. For example, have you ever uttered the words, "Money is the root of all evil"? Do you see how much of a problem that is? You're basically telling the universe that you believe money is evil. So why would the universe want to send something your way if you think it's evil? When it comes to making money, the only limitation is your mind. Therefore, your beliefs about money can be limiting or empowering. If you believe that money is scarce and hard to come by, you're likely to make decisions that reflect that scarcity. So, when you hold on to your money, you're acting from a place of lack. You telling the universe that you're never going to make more money. By you holding on to your money for dear life, you're sending a signal to the universe that you don't believe more money will come your way. On the other hand, if you believe in abundance, it can lead to opportunities and a willingness to take calculated risks. Even worse, the fear of not having enough can be paralyzing. It can lead to hoarding, excessive frugality, or avoiding investments that could yield significant returns. Recognizing and addressing these fears is essential to unlocking your potential to make money. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. That doesn't mean you should go out and blow your money on Lamborghinis and eat caviar instead of paying your bills. It simply means that you should treat money like it's abundant, and that you can get it back as quickly as you spend it. I know it sounds corny and cliche, but it's so true. So I'm just going to go ahead and say it. The key to wealth is to think positively. If you believe it, you can achieve it. Adopting a positive money mindset doesn't mean ignoring financial challenges. It means approaching them with a proactive and growth-oriented attitude. This mindset can empower you to learn from failures, pivot when necessary, and keep your eyes on long-term goals. Now let's take it a step further and talk about the psychology of making money. We're wired to be more sensitive to losses than gains. This can lead to conservative decision-making, avoiding risks, even when the potential rewards outweigh the risks. It's essential to find a balance between protecting your assets and seizing opportunities. It's true that you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, and you can't succeed if you never try. So if you're looking for a sign, this is it. Don't let the fear of failure or success keep you from making money. Another way people set themselves up for failure is by being impatient. The ability to delay gratification is very important to financial success. Most people don't get rich overnight. Those who can resist the temptation of immediate rewards in favor of long-term gains tend to accumulate more wealth over time. Emotions are good, but sometimes it can cloud our judgment, especially in financial matters. FOMO, or fear of missing out, can push us into making bad decisions, while fear or panic can lead to selling assets at the wrong time. Learning to manage emotions and make rational, well-informed choices is key to making and keeping your shirt and your money. So, what can you do to become wealthy? You can start by developing good habits. Habits and behavior are an important part of financial success. Developing healthy financial habits can set the stage for long-term prosperity. The first habit is budgeting. Creating a budget helps you understand where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. It's a step toward managing your finances effectively. There's a reason why Oprah Winfrey, a billionaire, still signs all of her checks. You need to know where every last penny of your money is going. The second habit is saving. Consistently saving a portion of your income, even if it's small at first, can make a significant difference over time. It's not just about the amount, it's about the discipline and habit of saving. The third habit is investing. Putting your money to work through investments is the ultimate goal for building wealth. But don't just throw your money into any old investment. It's very important to educate yourself and understand your risk tolerance before diving into the world of investing. The fourth habit is learning. A wise man knows he knows nothing. This may sound like fortune cookie advice, but if you don't take anything from this video, please understand this. You'll never know everything, and you'll always need to learn. The key to printing money is to learn, and learn some more. The world of finance is constantly changing, and staying informed is important. Learning about personal finance, investing, and the economy empowers you to make informed decisions. You're never too old or too young to start learning how to increase your wealth. Lastly, let's discuss how to overcome psychological barriers that might be holding you back from making more money. First of all, eliminate the phrase, "I can't," from your vocabulary. Challenge those beliefs that tell you you're not capable of achieving financial success. It may sound silly, but it works. Trust me. Write out or speak positive affirmations. For example, you can say, "I love money, and money comes to me freely and abundantly," or "I am a money magnet." It's also important to surround yourself with people who uplift and support your goals. If you constantly surround yourself with broke-minded people who have no ambition or goals, it can negatively impact your behavior and how you think. The second tip is to invest in your financial education. The more you know, the more confident you become. It doesn't have to cost you anything. Investing in your financial education can be as simple as watching YouTube videos or checking out books from your local library. You can also take courses or seek advice from experts or coaches. The third tip is to ask for help. Your bank account can be empty and filled with pride and ego, or it can be filled with money because of the knowledge of others. So don't be afraid to seek professional financial advice. A financial advisor can help you create a tailored strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. There you have it, the money mindset you need to make money. But one last thing, before you click off this video, I really need you to understand this. A lot of people think making money is hard, but it's not. Changing your mindset is hard, especially if you've been conditioned to think of money as the root of all evil, or you have developed habits that have kept you poor. But by understanding these psychological factors and actively working on improving them, you can set yourself up for a brighter financial future. So if you didn't take anything else from this video, please remember this simple rule. Focus on thoughts that will make you rich, not keep you poor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to make money. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep growing and thriving on your path to financial success.